And outside. Huh? But you finna eat some Wingstop. This nigga hasn't been in my videos in a minute. So I haven't been posting. Hey, but look at my cut though. Fresh in the bitch, you know what I'm saying? We finna eat some Wingstop.
Wingstop.
Like I'm heard. No? Alright, I'll see you when we get the food though. Yeah, whenever I'm lonely. Should I just stream? No. Yo, child, we eating Wingstop. You know what it is. Do I be talking normal when I got my juice? Yeah, that one's too hard. No, we got the hot, nigga. Shit. Let's do it. Let's get some ranch for the fries. Look how crispy that sounds. Whoa, they made this. Habanero, mango habanero, you know what it is? Yeah, that shit look dry, bro. This shit looks dry.
You should have the dynamite flavor.
Bro, the taste is so good. I'm gonna put y'all on mango habanero. It's so good, but I like boneless better. But I just want to eat the bone in today. Now this is really good. You got hot mild. We smack. Hey, I'm gonna lie, bro. That should come to Wingstop. I hope they sponsor me. No? Imagine the Wingstop sponsor me. Well, I need hella clout for that, right? To get sponsored.
You text you take this shit down.
You don't fucking for a long time I thought we were also on Wingstop.
Bro, you did it for me.
Huh?
You did like this, right?
Yeah, I went like that. Like I stood my gun and I kind of rounded it like.
Oh, that's I felt that.
Yeah, because it's better. It makes that, and when you do your hooks like that, that's what makes the shape.
Bro,
Yeah, that's what
wild.
makes the flavor.
Couple wings later, my mouth was burning, bro. Man, chip. Whatever my straw at. We're blowing all hard. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Cash Money. Nah, I'm finna. Yeah, I was just showing at me after I ate the wings. But I'm gonna catch that boys later. Bro, look at my hair. It's your boy Cash Money, you know.
Ooh, I look sweaty.
I'm not gonna lie, we here at the motherfucking lake. I told y'all little jiggers we gonna be.
Slippers. Bro, it's the only shoes I brought. You know I be going everywhere comfortable. It's too far for me. I'm scared of water.
You scared of water?
You want a drink? I broke it. It's falling off. I was already walking up.
Who they feeling like? No teeth again? Replay that clip. No?
Hello, you want some? Yeah, it's hot.
Oh yeah, I'm burned.
Oh, fuck.
She got pineapple feet.
No.
Bro, I just found a fucking turtle. Oh, we're gonna put him over here.
We got the pussycat one.
Shut him up, yeah. I got you.
Hello? I just take this hoe. In the name, I'm gonna get the money, I'm gonna get the thing. So we straight up out the west. I let's do this hoe.
Congratulations, Ty.
Oh, don't say that. Shine like a light, I'ma be the one, shine like a star in the sky. Have right around, catch a nigga slipping out of bounds. Damn, nigga, I got drunk last night, nigga. Just a little bit drunk. A little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just a little drunk. Look at these losers. Grace. Shit. Kitty. Come here so I can feed you, boy. It's lit. I ain't even really recording, nigga. I don't know. But nigga, I gotta go to school. Grace, you don't wanna go to school?
No, no.
Get your fucking... I'm finna stream this Friday. That nigga's tapping. I'm finna stream this Friday. You know what it is.
Okay, wait, you can't leave this building. I'm sorry. You are now mine forever. Hopefully you're okay with this, because I'm gonna make you rich, my friend. You know what? Once I collect some wood, I'm gonna...
What is you watching, bro?
Might get black. Yep.
Bro, what is you watching? Why you always watching dumb shit, bro? What is this? What is this? This is on YouTube. Oh, bro, we still got drinks. Yeah, hell no. We'll go that. Niggas talking shit like, what up, nigga? Put your guns up. I ain't tryna fight, nigga, I'm tryna flush some. Nigga, you say you got them guns, but bitch, we got them too. Put them bitches up, let's see.